Economizer. Before we proceed with the lecture, let us understand few things with the help of this fuel, ash and draft system diagram of a boiler. In boiler, heat transfer takes place from the furnace to the water. Inside the furnace, heat transfer is taking place with the help of radiation and conduction. Whereas in this portion of the boiler, the heat transfer is taking place with the help of convection. So this place is called convection zone, and we can see that economizer is situated in the convection zone of the boiler. This diagram is counter flow economizer. So let us explain what is this counter flow of the economizer. Here we can see that it is water inlet. Water inlet is traveling through tubes of the economizer. So here it is water inlet. The water is traveling through the tubes of the economizer to the water outlet. So here we can see that water is going upwards. Water inlet is down below and water outlet is above. So the water is traveling upwards, and gas flow is traveling downwards. So water and gas both are traveling in a counter flow direction. The economizer is the section of a boiler used to preheat feed water before it enters the main boiler system. Request: it is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like button. Please सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है. Preheating the water increases boiler system efficiency. This heat exchanger transfers heat from the stack gases to the incoming feed water. The economizer is usually located close to the stack gas outlet of the boiler. Economizers can be supported from overhead or from the ground. The feed water line that serves the boiler is piped into and travels through the economizer. No additional feedwater control valves or stack gas dampers are required. An economizer is is similar to the convection section in a direct fired heater. Both operate under the energy saving concept of recovering some of the heat from the hot flue gases before they are lost out of the stack. The typical improvement in efficiency of a boiler with an economizer is 2 to 4%. Request: it is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like button. Please subscribe this channel. यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है. This lecture series is in loving memory of my late wife, Mrs. Ambika Chadha, maiden name Pammi Mani.